Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do a taste test and to unbox a very good product of Atomy. It's actually newly launched in Atomy, Korea, and I'm so excited to try this.
Yes, so it's here. I'm going to show it to you.
And we all know, guys, that anything from Atomy is very good in quality.
And they don't just produce product, they follow and they have all the licenses, they have all the cutting edge technologies and so on and so forth to protect me as a seller. So without further ado, I'm showing it to you. It's a box from, no, actually the product is from Korea, but it's actually from a friend who has the stock. So thank you so much. I'm not gonna mention your name here, but I want to thank you for letting me have this.
It's Atomy. It's in Korean language first because it's just launched in the Korea. It's not yet in the other country, although Malaysia have their own.
They have it already in 1000 NG. If you will check the website of Malaysia, you can see it there. It's actually my husband tried and he said it's too mega. It's too powerful, so he had to eat it little by little.
And you can see the color. Atomy Vital Mega Vitamin C 2000 mg. And then, yeah, it's design Vitamin C. It is in 3 grams per sticks times 90 pieces. In one box, there has 90 sticks. So meaning you can consume it for 3 months. Yes! Right? So overall weight is 270 grams. See? Here, so there's an expiration date here. You have to consume it until October 12, 2023. So let's open and try.
Sour.
And you can feel it here like you're eating a lemon. You know the taste of lemon. When you are sick, you are actually told to drink vitamin C in mega dose. So
I think that's the reason why Atomy created this, or why they increased the dosage, because of our current situation right now. Because a lot of us are asked to drink or to take mega dose of vitamin C, right, to be healthy. It is color food vitamin C. So it came from different kinds of fruits. Now, this is not an artificial vitamin C. It's the cutting edge of Atomy. So they are able to get real vitamin C from fruits and vegetables. So I'm recommending you, and please wait for our stocks. We are ordering some stocks of it. If you want to try, just message me, or you can add me in my social media account. Like in Facebook, 𝐀𝐭𝐨𝐲, you can message me there, you can add me there, and I'm going to let you try this product. By the first week of February, we will have some stocks of it. So tomorrow I'm gonna make a demo. I will demo this and lower dosage, and the other vitamin C that is a lower dosage, and from the other brand. So thank you guys. I hope you learned from me today, and please share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please keep safe, and may God bless you all and your family as well.